Wise revision, days 1 to 10, to sectional drills, days 11 to 20, finishing with full-length test marathons and final polish, days 21 to 30. Phase 1, deep topic revision and foundation polish, days 1 to 10, daily schedule, 2 hours quantitative aptitude, 2 hours reasoning, 1.5 hours English, 1.5 hours error analysis. Mock goal, 1 full mock every 2 days, analyze deeply. Days, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability, English language, mock test plan. Days 1 to 2, simplification, approximation, quadratic equations, syllogisms and inequalities, close test and error spotting, mock 1 plus 1 hour analysis. Days 3 to 4, missing and wrong number series, coding, decoding and direction sense, paragraph jumbles and fillers, mock 2 plus 1 hour analysis. Days 5 to 6, table and bar graph D, circular and square seating, RC, direct and vocab questions, mock 3 plus 1 hour analysis. Days 7 to 8, line and pie chart D, linear and flow, flat puzzles, sentence improvement and correction, mock 4 plus 1 hour analysis. Days 9 to 10, high yield arithmetic, ages, ratio, average, percentage, box and month, date puzzles. RC, inference and tone questions, mock 5 plus 1 hour analysis. Phase 2, sectional speed and weak area drills, days 11 to 20, daily schedule, 1 sectional test per subject daily plus targeted practice on weak areas. Mock goal, 1 full mock daily plus thorough analysis. Days, focus area, daily mock task, post mock strategy, days 11 to 13, speed math and non-puzzle speed. Aim to complete speed math in less than 6 minutes and non-puzzles in less than 7 minutes. Full mock 6, 7 and 8. Identify 3 specific topics where you use maximum marks to negative marking. Days 14 to 16. D in puzzle selection. Practice skipping lengthy, trapping these sets are 3 variable puzzles instantly. Full mock 9, 10 and 11. Re-attempt skip puzzles without time limits to build solution paths. Days 17 to 18. Arithmetic accuracy. Pick 4 to 5 core arithmetic topics, profit and loss, C, CI, work and time, and master direct solutions. Full mock 12 and 13. Track time spent per question. Flag questions taking greater than 90 seconds. Days 19 to 20. English sectional boost. Improve reading speed for RCS and eliminate 50-50 guesses. Full mock 14 and 15. Review vocabulary and grammar rules from incorrect RC, close test answers. Phase 3, peak performance and real exam simulation, days 21 to 30, daily schedule, 2 full mocks daily under exact exam conditions plus 2 hours review. Mock goal, total 10 full mocks in 10 days. Days, daily routine, goal and target. Days 21 to 25. Morning, full mock, attempt at your official shift time. Afternoon, deep analysis and error notebook revision. Evening, full mock, simulate real exam pressure. Push attempts above 65 plus with 90% plus accuracy. Fine-tune question selection, speed math, right arrow D, right arrow arithmetic. Days 26 to 28. Morning, full mock. Afternoon, attempt 2 previous year papers, memory-based. Evening, revision of formulas, shortcuts, and grammar rules. Build mental stamina for the strict 20-minute sectional timer. Freeze your exact sequence of attempts for each section. Day 29. Morning, 1 final light mock. Afternoon, light revision of square, cube roots up to 30, fraction to percentage tables, and key grammar rules. Build confidence. Stop taking mocks by 5 p.m. Day 30. No mocks, no heavy study. Rest your mind, print call letter, check exam venue details, and ensure good sleep. How to analyze mock tests effectively. Unattempted questions. Spend 15 minutes trying to solve them without a timer. If it takes less than 90 seconds, note why you skipped it during the live test. Incorrect questions. Write down the concept, formula in an error notebook and review it daily. Time waste ratio. Identify questions where you spent greater than 90 seconds and still got them wrong. These are time traps you must skip on exam day.